Across classrooms and boardrooms, people are using interactive flat panels to engage and connect with students and colleagues. They're writing and drawing in digital ink to highlight, change, and add content, bringing learning activities and collaborative projects to life. And the ones who want the most intuitive and consistent experience know that not all digital ink is the same. They choose SmartBoard Interactive Displays with exclusive Smart Ink because it's quick and easy to learn and works in and out of smart software. Just walk up, pick up a pen, and start writing. It's that simple. No time is wasted opening a menu and selecting a tool. Unlike writing on other interactive displays, Smart Ink works in the files you're already using. Transform static content from PDFs, Microsoft Office files, web pages, and videos into engaging lessons and presentations. Keep the flow of ideas and lessons going without missing a beat. As you add notes, Smart Ink stays in place, not only on different pages, but also as you switch between applications. And when you're done, you can save notes directly into a file. There's no need to create and save a separate screen capture. Even better, when you reopen a file, your notes are there for you to pick up where you left off. Smart Ink also lets you convert notes to text and has a variety of dynamic presentation tools to keep students and colleagues focused. From the classroom to the boardroom, Smart equips you with the intuitive tools that help you learn and collaborate in innovative ways to inspire breakthroughs, from improving learning outcomes to moving your business forward.